Hello, WCCUSD community. Spring break is just about here. I want to say thank you to each and every one of our employees across the district. Thank you for your continued hard work and your dedication to our students. This has been an eventful and challenging year for our schools. I know many of our families and our employees have experienced a lot of stress and anxiety as we return to in-person instruction. I must acknowledge that this has been a difficult year for some of our schools when it comes to safety. Keeping our students and staff safe, both mentally and physically, is our top priority. Any incident of violence or weapons on campus is unacceptable and intolerable. This is work we take extremely seriously and look at every day. We're examining both long-term and short-term strategies to keep our campuses safe, including applying for a $15 million grant from Senator Skinner's office that will go to services that directly impact our young people. I'm appreciative of the actions we've taken together to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. We can all be proud that over 90% of our employees and nearly 90% of our students ages 12 and up are fully vaccinated. Testing is an important part of our mitigation plan, and we're asking all of our students and staff to get tested for COVID-19 before returning from spring break. Each student and staff should have received a test kit containing 2 tests, which should be taken on the Friday and Sunday before returning to school. WCCUSD will be operating 7 COVID-19 testing sites around the district the day before returning to school after spring break on Sunday, April the 10th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. For more information, including a complete list of sites, please visit www.wccusd.net/COVID testing. When we return from spring break, we'll begin the strategic planning process across the district as we create a roadmap of where we want to go together over the next 5 years. I'm excited to deeply engage with the community in this work. I truly believe that now is the time, and we are the people who will transform how our young people experience school. This is our moment. Please join us at an upcoming engagement and take part in this important work with us. You can find the dates and information about the upcoming engagements at www.wccusd.net/strategic plan. Thank you again for being a valued member of the West Contra Costa Unified School District. I do hope you take some time during the spring break to rest, relax, and rejuvenate, and return ready to finish the year strong.